I'm afraid that unless we address the issues surrounding the bungling of the last Kcpe examinations and the results thereof, we should be prepared for a similar or even worse thing in the impending release of the Kcse results. Issues we are raising are addressed. We should expect worse when it comes to the Kcse results. I'm not being an alarmist because I'm a very responsible Kenyan leader, but I can tell you, unless we address the issues that are coming up, the Cabinet Secretary for Education is a flower girl. The Kenya National Examination Council Board, the one being chaired by Professor Nyabundi, is toothless. What must happen is that those people, those agencies that were written to by the party leader of ODM and the leader of Azimio, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, must come together as a matter of speed and rescue the situation. Because the Right Honorable Raila Odinga wrote to a number of agencies, you know it. Sure.